from Korea. Today we're making Korean rolled eggs. In Korean, we call it 계란말이. It's a simple banchan or side dish that Koreans often eat with rice. Let's get started. People usually add carrots, green onions, and onions. Some people add ham too. Today, I'm going to use green onions and carrots. Make sure to chop them finely so the eggs are easier to roll. Add the eggs. Chop the carrots, green onions, and salt to a bowl. Check the pinned comment for the exact measurements. Beat everything together well until it's evenly combined. For Korean rolled eggs, we usually don't add milk or water. And here's the important part. Pour in just enough egg mixture to evenly cover the bottom of the pan and spread it out into a thin layer. Once it looks like this, it's time to start rolling. I'm using a spoon and chopsticks because, I'm a pro. But you can definitely use a spatula. Once you've rolled it, push the egg to one side of the pan and pour in some more egg mixture. If it doesn't cover the bottom of the pan evenly, just add a little more. When the edges start to set, roll it again. Here's another important tip. Roll the egg before it's completely cooked. That way, the layers will stick together. Pour the rest of the egg mixture right next to the rolled egg. Once the bottom starts to set, roll it again. Oops! The layers didn't stick together. But don't panic. Even pros make mistakes. Just use a spoon to gently press the egg back together. To shape the rolled egg, cook it on all four sides, turning it as you go. Once it holds its shape, let it cool for a few minutes for slicing. If you cut it while it's still too hot, it can lose its shape. That's it. And of course, 계란말이 tastes best with a warm bowl of rice. If you'd like to see how to make Korean seasoned soy sauce and more simple Korean recipes, check out my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video. Bye!